I don't know what the hell that is. All right, well, okay, I guess we'll just put this in. I don't know what that screw thing is. It's kind of weird. All right, what's going on, everybody? Well, I don't know if you remember, but our whip antenna broke. Our CB whip antenna broke on the Beetle, and I was trying to find out other antennas that might work. And Rick over at Firestik in Tempe, Arizona, hooked us up. Very informative, gave us a lot of information and the supplies we need for this. So, you know, very, very knowledgeable, and I very appreciate Rick helping us out. So we got on the right track. We got the right antenna that we need, and you know, I'm going to pull out the adjustable wrench to do this, but you know, it's better than an adjustable wrench, another adjustable wrench. So we're going to see if we need both of them to do this. As you see, we got a lot of rust and corrosion here. You know, being close to the water here in Florida is not very good, probably for a lot of these electrical contacts, but we're going to remove all this, and we already have all new hardware in our mount. So here we go. Here we got the mount right here, heavy duty stud mount. We're going to bring that through here. I'm also got a little wire brush. We're going to wire a little bit here. I don't know if it'll so much make a difference in here. Maybe it does. I'm not very familiar with CB equipment. Put all these in here. All right, so I'm putting the stud mount in. Got the washer in here. Whoops. Lock washer and the top here. I'm going to go from behind here and pull the bottom end here. Still not the right size. Here, just I'm going to take this out. I'll find out what size this is. Well, if I read the directions, I would have realized I need 2 5/8 open-end wrenches, which I went ahead and grabbed. The actual antenna, setting that up right now. Antenna on here. Now we opted with the 4-foot antenna. The other one we had, I think, might have been a 3-foot. This one's going to be a little longer. And it's as simple as that. And the next thing you're going to want to do at the end, you're going to want to tune the antenna. So different CBs might do it differently, or you might get the SWR meter and go from there. But we're not going to do that right now. We just wanted to show the install. And, you know, like I said, it's a good company. Rick out there, Rick at Firestik definitely took care of us as far as giving us information we needed and directed us in the right area to go. So, like I said, thanks, Rick. Thanks, Firestik. And we're going to give this a shot. This is going to help us out immensely. Guys, take care. Have a good day. We'll see you guys.